Hello mga kamatlets! It's me again, Teacher Robert. Welcome to our new session. Our topic in this video is all about angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal. This video is about the angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal. So you will learn about the relationships between pairs of angles when cut by a transversal line and be able to name them. But first, we are going to define some terms. So let's start with the definition of transversal line. So what is this transversal line? So a line that intersect two or more lines at different points. So that is a transversal line. So kini siya linya ni siya nga diin mo intersect siya og duha og more lines subot pasabot mulabaw og duha tulo from two lines up. So it intersect at different points. So kana nga line, if that line will intersect two or more lines at different point, tawgon na siya og kana nga certain line tawgon siya og transversal line. For example, in the figure, we have line M intersect line M and line N. So we have ang si line L, kini si line L, ning intersect kang line M o line N at point A. So si L ning intersect kang M diha sa point A o si L ning intersect ni N diha sa point B. So, point B. So, therefore, since that line L intersect the line M and N at different point, dili sila pareho nga point, thus, line L is called transversal line. Another example, we have that one. So, we have line L intersect three lines. So, nag-intersect niya ang tulo ka linya. Now, as we observe, si line L po nag-intersect sa different points. So, diha siya ni-intersect kang M sa point A, sa kang N. So, ning-intersect siya, diha, line L and N intersect at point B, line L and line O intersect at point C. So, lain-lain point ang gi-intersekan ni line L sa lain-lain po nga linya. Thus, based on the figure, the illustration shows that line L is a transversal line. Next, this example. What have you observed? We have three lines. We have line L, line M, and line N. Tulo ka linya, nagtinandayay. So kung atong una-unaon, si line L intersect line N at point A and line M at point C. Si line M intersect kang line N at point B o point C kang line L. The illustration shows nga ang tulo ka linya nagtinandayay and each line intersect two lines. Duha ka linya ang ilang gitandayan. Unya lahi-lahi sila og points ang ilang gitandayan. Thus, this line L, line M, and line N, these three lines on the figure are transversal lines. So, transversal lines dyan, kaya ang qualification sa transversal line, mo intersect raman og duha or daghang linya sa different point. Okay, transversal line sila tulo. Next, in that example, illustrate the illustration, tanawa, examina ang example. We have two lines. Two lines intersect. So, two intersecting lines. So, they intersect at point C. So, based on the illustration, wala na. Dili na siya madawat nga transversal. Kay dili man based on the definition of transversal, it is a line that intersect two. So, at least two lines. Now, line L intersect raman, isa raman kalinya ijang gi-intersect. Si line L nag-intersect ra kang M. Isa ra kalinya ang ijang gi-tandayan. Kung adto puta kang M, si M ning tanday ra pud og usa ka linya si line L. Thus, these two lines will not be considered as transversal line. So dili sila ma-consider as transversal. Next example, two lines. Wala nag-intersect. We have line L and line M. Wala sila nag-intersect. So wala gihapon, dili gihapon na sila matawag na transversal line. Okay. That example, how about that example? We have four lines intersecting each other, no? Intersect each other. So, upat kalinya nagtinandayay. Pero this four line intersect at only one point. Naa sila nagtinandayay sila pero usaray point nga ilang gitandayan. No? Point C. These four lines intersect at a certain point C. Isa raman ka point ang ilang natandayan. No? So, that's why this illustration, these lines will not be considered as transversal line. So, transversal dili sila ma-consider as transversal. These four lines will not be considered as transversal line. Okay. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal line, so kung ang parallel lines ko no, cut by a transversal line, then 8 angles. So, sa 8 angles, there are 4 interior angles and 4 exterior angles, and pairs of angles are formed. Makapurma ko no, kung ang duha ka parallel lines, i-cut siya by a transversal line, then dunay 8 ka angle nga mapurma. Sa 8 ka angle, sa 4 out of 8 are interior angles. The rest, the remaining 4 angles are what we call exterior angle. So mao na siya. So no need to explain the parallel lines because it was already discussed sa previous video na to, no? So, dili na. So, kindly watch again the itong mga nauna nga mga video para masabtan kung unsa ang parallel lines. Okay. Okay. So, based on the illustration, that illustration we have line L intersect line M and N, where line M and line N are parallel lines. So, they are parallel lines. Si line M o si line M are parallel lines. They are parallel lines. Then, line L, kay nag-intersect man niya ang duha ka linya at different point. So, si line L will be called as a transversal line. Now, based on the given figure, the angles formed are, so mao ni siya mga angle nga na purma when two parallel lines cut by a transversal line. So kung si transversal line mo intersect sa duha ka parallel line, mao ni ang mga angle mapurma dunay 8. So based on the figure kining atong figure dire, based on that illustration, ang angle form, the angles form are angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, and angle 8. So, mga number angan sa atong angle as I've said in our previous video, that we can name an angle by a number. So, mao ni siya angle 1 to angle 8. So, there are 8 angles formed. Now, out of that 8 is 4 interior angles. What is that interior angles? So, unsa man ang interior angle? Okay. Interior angles that are angles that lie between the parallel lines on the opposite side of the transversal line. Okay. Interior angles are the angles, no, that nga naa makita between tunga-tunga sa parallel lines. So in our illustration, kini diri nga portion tunga-tunga, if this is kini si jamo ay parallel, kini si jamo ay kani nga mga linya ang parallel lines, kanang mga angles nga naa sa natungan nila mao nay tawgon nga interior angles. So thus, based on that illustration, the interior angles are angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. Okay, mao na siya interior angle. Interior but pasabot sulod. Okay, next, exterior angles. Exterior angles, unsa man puning exterior angles? Exterior angles are angles that is outside the parallel lines on the opposite sides of the transversal. Kaganina kung ang interior naa sa sulod sa parallel lines, karon ang exterior, from the word exterior, gawas na siya. Gawas mga angle nga naa sa gawas sa atong parallel lines. So, on that illustration, kanang illustration, ang gawas nga angle or the interior angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. Those are the exterior angle. O, di ba sa John? Ang interior, sulod, ang exterior, gawas. Pero karon kay COVID man bawal lumabas. Okay. So we have also the relationship or the pair of angles. The pair of angles. As I've said, there are pairs of angles formed. So daghay pair of angles. One of these pair of angles that is formed when two parallel line is cut by a transversal line is this what we call alternate exterior angles. Unsa man ning alternate exterior angles? Alternate, from the word alternate. Alternate, but pasabot, dili sunod. Dili siya sunod. Alternate man, laktaw. No, laktaw siya. O piktaw, dili siya sunod. In our illustration, the alternate exterior angle, exterior man. So from the exterior angles, ato ra ta mo kuha sa exterior angles ang mga gawas nga angle. As I've said, the exterior angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8. Now out of that 4 exterior angle, atong iparis kung unsa ng mga alternate exterior angle. So based on our figure, based on the illustration, alternate. So kung kani si 1 ug si 2, tapad man na. So alternate is 1 and 7. At bangga 1 and 7. Kini si 1 ug si 7. So kana 1 and 7. And nganong na may and? Kay pair of angles man. So as we discussed in our previous video, no? So mao na siya, pair man na ay and kay pares man. Next is the next pair is angle 2 and angle 8. Kuha angle 2 and angle 8. So that is an alternate exterior angle. Anhara ta mo kuha, addi ta manguha sa interior kay alternate exterior angles man. Exterior man ang atong gikuhaan. So adto ta mo kuha sa exterior angle. Okay, next. The alternate interior. Kung naay alternate exterior, doon na po'y alternate interior. So ang alternate interior are two interior angles that is on the opposite side of a transversal. So kung kaganina, exterior karon interior. Okay. At pupunta kung kaganina nagkuha ta sa exterior, karon mangkuha punta sa interior. Okay. The interior angles, as I've said, are angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. Now, ang pair of angles, the alternate interior angle niya, dili, as I've said, alternate, dili sunod. So, kung si 3 o si 4, sunod, 3 o 6, sunod pod. Diba? Tapad ra sila. Tapad sila, 3 o 6 o 3 o 4, tapad. Ang dili niya tapad is ang 5. So, si 3 o si 5, mo'y pares. Kasabot? Si 3 og si 5 pares. Then 4 og si 6, si angle 4 and angle 6 mo po'y pares. Thus, the alternate interior angles are angle 3 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 3 and angle 5, and angle 4 and angle 6. Okay, mo to say alternate interior angles. Now, another pair of angles that is formed when the two parallel lines cut by a transversal is a corresponding, what we call corresponding angles. So, unsa man yung corresponding angles? Corresponding angles is a combination of an exterior angle and an interior angle which are non-adjacent but lie on the same side of a transversal. So, dirita, same side of a transversal. But pasabot, combination siya sa interior o sa exterior. So, ang isa ka angle nga imong ipares out of the two angles sa pair of angle, ang usa ana is exterior, ang usa interior. Okay, just like for example, in our illustration, we have angle 1, same side ha, same side. Ang timan-an nato is kaning same side of a transversal. So kung dirita sa ubos magkuha, kining ubos, kining nga side, diri nga side is 1. Ang ijang dili sunod kay non-adjacent man. Non-adjacent, ang non-adjacent niya is 1 and 5. Dili sila sunod kay sunod man sila sa 4. Sunod man sila sa 4, no? Sunod sila sa 4, then ang dili niya sunod is ang 5. Dili naman siya makuha kang 8. Dili siya makuha kang 8 kay exterior man na, exterior. So, si 1 ipares ang 1 corresponds to 5. 1 corresponds to 5. So, the corresponding angles 1 and 5, angle 1 and angle 5. Next is angle 4 and angle 8. Oh, diri nga side. Angle 4 and angle 8 ipares pod. Next is sa babaw, angle 2 and angle 6. And angle 3 and angle 7. Thus the corresponding angles are angle 1 pares kang 5, angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. Those are the corresponding angles based on our illustration. Now, let's proceed to the relationship between pairs of angles formed by a parallel lines cut by a transversal line. So, mao ni si jay relationship, mao ni si jay mahitabo kung ang parallel lines cut by a transversal line. Mao ni si the relationship between the pairs of angles. So the pairs of angles are katong alternate exterior, alternate interior, and the corresponding angles. Now, mao ni si the mahitabo. Mao ni relationship sa pair of angles. Okay. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then, una, ang mahitabo, corresponding angles are congruent. Ang atong mga corresponding angles are congruent. Now, when you say congruent, as we discussed in our previous video, congruent angles are the angles who have the same measurement. So pareho silang sukod. So no need to explain that one because it was already discussed in our video, katong nauna nga video. No? Now in our illustration, same illustration, ang atong corresponding angles na ana. Mao ni ang atong corresponding angles. Si 1, angle 1, and angle 5, angle 2, and angle 6, angle 3, and angle 7, angle 4, and angle 8. So, kung kana sila may corresponding angles, then we can say, we can conclude that si angle 5 is congruent, si angle 1 is congruent to angle 5, si angle 2 is congruent to angle 6, si angle 3 is congruent to angle 7, o si angle 4 is congruent to angle 8. By using the kana nga mga relationship. So, kana siya. So, congruent. Nganong congruent man? Again, pareho sila og sukod. When you say congruent, kung may kag-congruent na sila, kung unsay sukod sa isa, maupod sa isa. Okay. Next, ang mahitabo sunod is ang alternate interior angles kuno nato are congruent pod. Ang alternate interior angles. Now, in our previous slide, the alternate interior angles are angle 3 and angle 5. And we have angle 4 and angle 6. Sila may pares. Now, the relationship between that pair of angles, that alternate interior angles are congruent. So, by that, makaingon ta nga si angle 3 is congruent to angle 5 o si angle 4 congruent to angle 6. Kuha? Okay. Next, letter C, alternate exterior angles are congruent. So, kung ang duha ka parallel lines i-cut by a transversal, ang atong alternate exterior angles are congruent. Now, our alternate exterior angles in our illustration is angle 1 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 8. Now, kay kung kana sila mo'y pares, sila mo'y alternate exterior angle, makasulti ta nga kana si angle 1, kini si angle 1 congruent kang angle 7, o si angle 2 congruent kang angle 8. So, congruent. Okay. Next, interior angles, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the interior angles on the same side of a transversal are supplementary. When you say supplementary, sa itong supplementary? Yes, very good. We have the two angles. That's the two angles whose sum of their angle measure is 180. So kung atong i-plus ang ilang angle measure, ang mo resulta 180. Okay? So, interior angles. So, kaganina, gidetermine na to ang mga interior angles, thus, si interior angles on the same side man, so we have 4 interior angles, but the interior angles on the same side are 3, 6, 4, and 5. Ako ha? Same side of a transversal. Mao man atong transversal kaning L. So, ang naa sa babaw, 3, 6, ang sa ubos, 4, 5. So, that pair of angles, si angle 3 and angle 6 are supplementary. Kung atong itotal ang ilang measurement, mo resulta og 180. Same as angle 4 and angle 5. They are also supplementary. Okay. The last is, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then, kaganina kung ang interior angles on the same side, karon exterior na pod. Exterior angles on the same side of a transversal are supplementary. So, kaganina, gidetermine nato ang mga exterior angles sa atong figure. So, but, In this case, we will get only exterior angles on the same side. We will group or pair those exterior angles on the same side. So, kung ang mga exterior angles na to is 1, 2, 7, 8, ang mga exterior angles nga naa sa pareho nga sides are, kung diri sa ubos, 1, 8, 2, og 7. O ha? Angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7. Mo to'y pair of angles. Pair of exterior angles on the same side of a transversal. Now, niingon man nga supplementary, but pasabot, si angle 1 and angle 8 are supplementary. But pasabot, kung atong i-add ang measurement ni angle 1 kang angle 8, mo total of 180. Okay. Same as angle 2 and angle 7, they are also supplementary. So, that's all. Thank you. And once again, good day everyone. Bye-bye.